What's going on, my friends? Just got word from Rhino Insight on X that Interactive Broker is asking retail traders if they can borrow their shares of Wendy's stock. All right, now, why would a brokerage like IBKR ask their clients if they can borrow shares? It's because the shares are becoming hard to borrow. Now, the cost to borrow has risen. It was 3% a couple days ago. Now it's 14%. That is an annual interest rate that the shorts pay. If you were to take on a new short today, it would be costing you 14% on the year to hold that, okay? That's not an astronomical number. Once it gets to 100%, 200%, 300%, then you know the squeeze is coming. The shorts are incentivized to close their position, e.g. buying shares, creating green candles. But the very fact that Interactive Brokers is already asking their clients to borrow shares, to lend them out to short sellers this early on, I'm surprised, to be honest. So thank you, Rhino Insight on X. Give them a follow. Share the DD, man, because I was just scrolling and I happened to see that. Share the DD. That's how this thing spreads like fire. The stock closed at like $7.70 or 80 cents today, just under $8. All right. Market makers are largely in control of the stock market, and that's okay, because eventually they will flip long, because it's where the money is made. Okay, market makers play to the downside, to the upside. They'll even do straddle options if they want to, if they think a stock is not going to go up or down. But Wendy's is primed for a squeeze. This is not comparable to other stocks in the past because this is a viable business. They just launched new stores in Australia. They're not going anywhere. Like, we're not in COVID. It's 2026. And the short sellers are looking for shares. Why couldn't the market makers just give them the shares? Ask yourself that question. As the cost to borrow rises, the less intelligent it is for the short seller to be in a short on Wendy's stock. It's as simple as that. As the CTB rises, short sellers will begin to cover. And at that point, it's a race to who can cover first. Because when one fund covers, or if it's retail shorting, when one retail short covers, the price rises. The next one covers, it rises. Next one covers, it rises. So first one to cover loses the least amount of money. I'll see you guys for the next video. Love y'all.